In the previous tutorial, we have created and associated a folder with an item. Clicking on the associated folder icon will open the folder in a new tab. We are now in the file system. You can find your way with the pathway and navigate through all the files stored in Dash. You can access the file system from anywhere in Dash by clicking on the folder icon. Let's go back to the folder associated with our plugin tree. We can batch upload multiple files in this folder. Simply drag and drop the files from your computer into this browser window. You can also click on the Upload File button to upload one or several files. To delete a file, click on the cross associated with the file. Deleting a file in Dash is direct and permanent, so make sure you have a copy of this file somewhere in case you need to reuse it. Depending on how the files are used in our web app, sometimes their name is visible. To change the name of a file, simply type in the new name and click on the Rename button. To change the order of the files, simply drag and drop the files amongst themselves. Another way to change the order is to change the order level of the file. Just simply type in a different number and click on the Order Level button. Smaller numbers will come first and bigger numbers will come last. Renaming or changing file order can have an incidence on the associated item from the data collection, and that's why sometimes we see this purple warning. To check if this is an issue, go back to the data collection, click on Save to make sure you don't lose any data you might have changed before, then refresh the entire page in your web browser. An orange message will indicate if an item lost track of a file. If it is the case, the item ID will be indicated in the message. Typically, it's something like a cover image, and the only thing we need to do is just click on the cover and select again the image we want to have there. Then click on Save again. The presentation of the text we enter in each cell is automatically managed by the website. But cells displaying this little book icon offer much more control on formatting options. Let's add a link to our text. Start with the web address you want to link, open square bracket, the text you want to link, and close square bracket. Click on Save, and let's open the article page to see the result. Let's write something in bold, and let's embed a YouTube video. If you click on the little book icon, a new tab will open with all the possibilities. Let's add an emoji by simply copying and pasting it. Click on Save and look at the result. When our listing is associated with a file folder, we can also embed pictures and files within our text. Let's list all the files available in our associated folder in our text. Let's create an image gallery with a very specific choice of pictures. Open the associated folder. Let's say we only want the Eiffel Tower and the squirrel. This is picture number 3 and picture number 4. Let's enter gallery, open bracket, 3, 4, close bracket, and click on Save. To avoid too much image repetition, we can turn off the automatic image gallery, specifically on this item. By default, the automated image gallery will display all the images present in the associated folder. To quickly review formatting options without opening another tab, click on the little pencil icon. For file and picture options, click on the camera icon. At the top right corner of a data collection page, you can click on the command icon to display all the keyboard shortcut options.